First off, I'd like to just tell you that this is the video that I wish I had when I started email marketing about 7 years ago. And also, I want you to understand that it's crucial. It's crucial that you understand that there is no way to get this wrong unless you don't actually get started. And getting started simply starts with a simple idea or a simple plan, a proven strategy, my top strategy, traffic to an offer, and then add people to an email list. We are right here and we're focused on building your email list. Now, there are tools and technology and time required to get all this set up. But again, the focus in this video is understanding that we are working towards building an email list. And to do that, you just simply need to understand that you need content. You need to put content out there so people understand that you have an offer, which is a solution for them. So I use the word here, post. Post on social media, write a blog, go out there and run ads, create YouTube channels or create videos here on a YouTube channel. Then link out to something called a squeeze page. Make it super simple, a super simple lead magnet, just a gift, something in exchange, something valuable in exchange for an email that people will give you, and they'll subscribe to your email newsletter, or they'll be added to your email list. And then essentially you craft a newsletter, or you send out an email once a day, twice a day, once every other day, once a week. That's up to you. You'll learn that as you build this out. Now, understand there are tools, and one of the tools that I use is System.io, and understand that there are many tools that will do this. And there's not one singular tool that does it better than another tool. There's different features, there's different ways that people do it, but ultimately what you're looking at here, you're looking at what we see here, or what we have here, is we have sales funnels. These are the pages. So you go back and you look at this page, and I'm going to give you a real example of this, but this page is simply just that. It's a web page that has a function of allowing people to enter their name, their email address, clicking subscribe, and then that email address going onto a list. And a list is what you see down here, where people are added to your email list, or they're called contacts. Here you can start with the free plan. This is a freemium account, a free plan where you can add 2,000 people to an email list to get started with email marketing. Now, let's break this down, because I showed you this simple example, and you look at this and you're like, is it really that simple? And honestly, it is, and I'm going to show you why. So let's say this post is a YouTube video, and you want to link from your YouTube video to a squeeze page where people are going to enter their name, their email, they're going to hit subscribe, and they're going to go on an email list where you're going to follow up with them. And I'm going to show you a real example here on YouTube. If you go search for how to write a blog post for beginners, you're going to see a video here. This YouTube video, and this is the same way I do it, I have a link in my description. There's a link in my description, link typically in the pinned first comment, and it links out to additional resources like this video, the perfect blog post. You click this link, what happens? It opens up a page that looks like this. Focus with me here on what's important, and what you see here. Enter your email below and get my free AI blogging masterclass plus 10 custom AI frameworks to launch and scale your blog. Enter your name or your first name, type your email. Yes, give me access now. That is the subscribe button that I showed you here in this. A post. He made a YouTube video. He created a super simple squeeze page asking for a person's name, email, and a button to add them to their email list. Now, go back to this if you want my complete strategy. When I talk about building a profitable online business, I typically talk about affiliate marketing, or that's the focus. Again, the proven top strategy is traffic to an offer. You pick a topic. So if you're talking about affiliate marketing, then you talk about affiliate marketing. If you're talking about raising dogs, then you're talking about raising dogs. If you're talking about blogging, then you stick on blogging. The topic, the idea or the concept, the problem that you're trying to help people solve and lead them to the solution, which is the offer that you're putting out there. And in this case, what you just saw was a super simple lead magnet that leads to ultimately building your email list, which is the focus of this video. And again, it's crucial. And I've listed some crucial steps and shown you how to get started with building your own email list. I put a link in the description of this video, and yes, it's doing just like what we saw. I made this video to help you, to show you, to understand how simple this is, that you just need to create content. You need to make a post. You need to put content out there that solves a problem. Then you need to build a super simple squeeze page. Then that will build your email list. 3 simple steps: traffic to an offer, and then add people to an email list. I showed you a real example. Now I want to talk a little bit about, can you use AI to do this? And this is in ChatGPT. And as an affiliate, let's just say, and I'll give you this prompt, or think of it this way: this is a simple input to ChatGPT to get you started, to not overthink it, because I know what you're thinking right now. What in the world am I going to send them? And look at this prompt. I want to promote this as an affiliate. Write me 5 emails to send a new email subscriber when they sign up for information about this course on my squeeze page. And this example was the text about this free masterclass. So I just went here and I just copied this information from his squeeze page to give you this example. So this example, if you were promoting this, say as an affiliate, to let people know that there was this free masterclass that maybe you were giving away as an affiliate, and then if someone purchases it from you, you earn a commission. In this example, you're giving that information, and then ChatGPT is going to give you an idea of the types of emails that you'd want to send out. Here are 5 engaging email templates designed to nurture and convert your new email subscribers for the free masterclass on launching and scaling a blog with AI. Each email has a different focus and call to action. A call to action is just simply that. Hey, click this link, go learn more. Click this link, go buy this. Click this link, go get the solution, to maintain interest and encourage further engagement. It's a welcome email. You're highlighting the benefits. You're building anticipation. And then you have a last call to action. Maybe there's some real scarcity. The offer is going to close, or a discount coupon maybe is going to go away. And then you follow up and you ask for feedback. This is just a way to say, hey, I noticed you didn't click. I noticed you did click. And there's mechanisms and tools and technology to allow you to know if they did or didn't click, but don't get ahead of yourself. Focus on getting started, and then understand that we're having a chat here with ChatGPT, but it's telling us, feel free to personalize these emails further to match your voice and branding, and make sure to include any necessary links or resources to make it easy for your subscribers to take action. Understand at that point, you have all the information you need. Your focus isn't on getting more information. I've listed all the crucial things that you need to know, and I've given you a step-by-step way to get started with a very powerful free tool. And I'm going to give you another example here in a minute, but I want you to focus on what you're trying to do. You're trying to let people know that you have a solution to a problem. That's traffic. You're creating content. For example, here on YouTube, you create a video. You show them, in this example that I gave you, the YouTuber there is talking about blogging and how he built a successful blog. And he's saying, oh, by the way, check this out. I have a free masterclass, which gets you closer to the solution. Of course, his solution is his offer. It's his own product where he trains you on how he does blogging. But essentially, he's given away, on his super simple squeeze page, he's given away a free gift saying, check this out. Let me show you a little bit more about my free masterclass. He puts those people on an email list because they're interested in that topic, and they're interested in learning more about that topic. And he gives them some information as a free gift to help them, to move them from where they are right now with a problem to where they want to be, which is a solution. And that's what each email does that we saw here in this example. All these emails are written in a way to take them from where they are right now, the person that has a problem, welcome them, highlight the benefits, let them know more about the offer, and then eventually get them to take action, or the last call to action, and then ask them, hey, what or how did I help you? How did I not help you? What would you need to know more about, or what other information are you looking for? Actually interact with people and realize and understand that when you go through this process, these email addresses that you're putting on a list are real people. Now, let me give you an example of a tool that I use. This is called Lead Creator, and it uses AI on the back end. And I'm promoting this tool because it's one of the tools that I've started to use. So what I do is I create a very specific lead magnet on this topic. And here you can see that I'm saying, okay, here is a lead creator bonus. This is going to be a bonus for picking up this product through my link. Now, this goes back to the overall, or the complete strategy inside of my proven top strategy of traffic to an offer, adding people to an email list, which is the focus. right? Understanding that the goal is to add people to an email list because the money is in the list. But the concept here in this 9-step roadmap is to first generate traffic. We talked about this, picking a topic, understanding that if you're talking about blogging, talk about blogging. Don't start talking about dogs or the best coffee or your daily coffee and the best coffee that you like or the best coffee and the reasons why you like it. Stick on topic. Pick a topic, stick to it, and stay on it. Understanding there are some tools and technology and the time that's required to learn, understand that technology, and then move into creating consistent content. That YouTube video, that blog post, that post on social media, that super simple lead magnet that we saw that actually puts the names of the people on your email list is important, but also you can offer a bonus. You can say, hey, when you pick up this free blogging masterclass, or in my case, this example that I'm going to show you here in a second, with the tool that I showed you that you can get started with for free to actually build your email list and send out your email list or even automate it so this income becomes passive. And then you understand that you get to step 9 because you've gone through the process of the proven top strategy of creating traffic, letting people know about your offer or the solution to their problem, and then you've added people to an email list. Now you're going to start making money, usually as an affiliate, but if you have your own product, this works as well. And then you start thinking about, okay, how do I dive deeper into this topic? And then you understand you also have tools and technology like Lead Creator that use AI that allow you to add leads to an email list just by simply having a squeeze page that looks like this. And I'll go ahead and copy this link. Then let me go ahead and open up an incognito window and post in that link that I built with Lead Creator, that its only purpose is to build super simple lead magnets. And you're going to see here that people can get my bonus, or they can get the information about my bonus by entering their name and their email. And this allows me to identify people that raise their hand and say, yes, I am interested in getting the bonus for Lead Creator because I've seen your information about Lead Creator. So that at this stage, I've taken them to the point where I've introduced them to the product. And now I'm saying, now, if you're ready to get this, check out, I have a bonus. They're going to give me their name and their email. Then I'm going to put them on a email list, and then I'm going to send out a newsletter. And here you can see that I'm sending follow-up emails because this product is getting ready to launch. So there's some scarcity around the fact that there's going to be a really good price. So I'm focused in on that, and I've added these people to an email list, and I've been sending them emails. And you can see here that I can see the people that are opening, the people that are clicking, and that's all the technology. Again, going back to this simple roadmap of understanding that we're trying to get here to step 7, because step 3, or pillar number 3, is adding people to an email list, and building your email list is what this video has been about. And it's crucial that you understand that the only wrong way to build an email list is to not build an email list. I've added a link in the description that identifies about 40 other crucial steps or ideas or the reasons why you just need to move forward and focus on building an email list, and you will be better off once you start building your email list than you are today. Check that out. Link in the description. Of course, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.